Okay. Okay. Hello everyone, Elrigu Namaskara and welcome to my Indian market live stream. So the time is around 12:04 p.m. and date is of 9th of February. Okay. So on 9th of February, let's see what Nifty and Bank Nifty will do on there. So left side you note this is a Bank Nifty chart over here. Right side this is a Nifty chart over here. Okay. So now Bank Nifty note it is kind of totally sideways in the morning session. Okay. So then full sideways zone and if you see Nifty 50 over here slowly high rise form on upside momentum but this is not a very huge momentum. Around premium price around 20 to 25 points momentum other better there is no much major momentum in market on 9th of February. Okay, so there is a slight momentum, but let's see second half one in case one move bartitala how to capture the move and an entire thing we'll just discuss each and everything in detail. Okay, so this is what is the current overview of market. Bank Nifty is totally sideways and Nifty slowly higher form it is trying to go up. So Nifty will be planning for an upside trade and Bank Nifty will be just waiting for this zone to be crossed. Given the proper on sideways zone again move agluttha even zone li thorak baratanka will just wait in Bank Nifty and then we'll try to get into the trades. Okay, since sideways zone yavade riti one opportunity proper high probability trade sigangilla, that is the reason we'll wait till this level to be crossed. Okay, so now we'll do in detail top down analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty. 1 second. I'll just check audio and video. I hope everything is perfect. That is the reason we'll wait till this level to be crossed. Okay, so now we'll do in detail. Okay, so audio and video perfect. Without wasting much time, let's start the video. 1 second guys, 1 second. Epic pen. Okay, so this is not working, it's totally fine. So we'll start with Bank Nifty first. Okay, so Bank Nifty first, we'll go to the Bank Nifty chart. We'll go to 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame in like try until we'll do a quick top down analysis and then we'll come to 1 hour time frame. Adadme 15 minutes, adadme 5 minutes. Okay, and welcome to my live stream. So they can join agila. Let's wait for some more time. They're gonna join other under, then we'll have a small discussion also. So if you see Bank Nifty chart over here, so heavy gap up open again. I don't know what is the fundamentals or global sentiment right now, but market open agid gap up. So gap up open agi market is trying to sustain over here. So it's sustain aglatunda, there are high chances that till in the it can also go up. Okay, so market gap up open agi, it is sustaining at the same level. There are all the chances that market can go up from this level. Okay, so let's see. So 4-hour time frame, if you see there is no major resistance level or support level, you can see this is a major resistance level. Illon mark madakombodu. Better again you can see this is a major support level. Idu bitter proper yavade riti vandu clarity illa anko where exactly to the mark resistance and support ante. And market is trading this in between. Idu on high ಮತ್ತು low trade aglatte illa market. So we'll just wait or we'll just go to lower time frame to get the better clarity. Illi yavade riti enu conclusion togolak angilla in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now let's go to 1-hour time frame. What 1-hour time frame is trying to do ante. So if you go to 1-hour time frame again you can see this as a strong support level over here because market in the support zone it went up, and you can see this is the resistance level because market in the rejection zone it fell down, and now market is trading in this range in this range in between in this range. Okay, so illi namge eno clarity ne illa anko because market is trading in this range or it is in a middle zone. Ill upside trade ತಗೊಬೇಕಾ downside trade ತಗೊಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ clarity ಇಲ್ಲ. So that is the reason we'll just wait till we get the clarity. Okay, so that is the reason I said Bank Nifty is sideways in 1 minute time frame. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೂ there is literally no momentum. Even zone ಮೇಲೆ even zone ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಒಂದು zone ಒಳಗೆ momentum ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತ market. So it is purely sideways is what Bank Nifty chart is telling us. Okay, this is 1-hour time frame. And now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. What 15 minutes time frame is trying to tell ante. excuse me. So if you go to 15 minutes time frame alla, see you can mark a trend line over here from bottom. So ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. I'll just mark this trend line so that price can react to this level at some point. So ಕೆಳಗಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲೊಂದು trend line ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲತ್ತ, I'll just mark this level in case ಅರೆ ಭಾಯ್ in case market ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ somewhere over here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ slowly fall ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೋವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ತನಕ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಗೋ ಅಪ್. Okay, so in case market fall other, there are high chances that it can fall till this level and it can reverse slowly. Okay, this is what is trend line telling us. So ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 hour time frame ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ if you observe clearly, but when you go to 15 minutes time frame you got that clarity. This is why multi time frame analysis or a top down analysis is very much important. You will get the better clarity in market ಏನು ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So this is 15 minutes time frame in bank nifty. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. What exactly 5 minutes time frame is trying to tell ante. Again 5 minutes time frame same, there is a proper trend line coming from bottom, and if you see bank nifty over here alla, there is a sideways market. Proper 5 minutes ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See, this is moving in a box, proper on sideways zone agada illi. So we don't have any clarity for today's view, which is 9th of February. So even zone in horag bara tanaka we just have to wait. Only then we'll get the clarity whether to go for an upside trade or should we go for a downside trade ante. Alli tanaka ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋರಿ, you will never get a proper setup. Unnecessarily you'll do over trading. Okay, so these are the important zones, or this is an important zone. Even zone length horag bara tanaka you should not be trying to get into any of the trades in bank nifty. This is very much simple and pretty straightforward. Okay, ist clarity, this is not what I am telling, this is what candlesticks and market is telling us. Okay, so candles na read ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು where should I get into the trade and where not to get into the trade ante. Okay, so this is a bank nifty chart over here. So 5 minutes time frame ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We came from 4 hour to 1 hour, 1 hour to 15 minutes and 15 minutes to 5 minutes. Now this is the trading in a range, so we are not getting any setups over here. So we will wait till we get a proper setup in bank nifty. Okay, so I hope one point is very much clear. Bank nifty analysis is, this is what it is, simple. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋ. This is how simple it is and you should keep this simple. ಅಂದಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ you will get to know what exactly is happening in market ಅಂತ. Okay, so now we are done with bank nifty chart. Same thing ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ will do it in nifty 50 also. Okay, so I'm trying to explain it in a very simple way. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I think you are getting much more clarity with this what I'm trying to tell ante. Okay, so now we'll go to nifty 50 chart over here. Nifty 50, this is 4 hour time frame again. So ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಮು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ we'll come to a conclusion where exactly we can get into the trade or where not to get into the trade ante. Okay, so if you see nifty 50 again this is a resistance level over here, but you can also mark this entire zone. So now what I'll do is, since idu nearby adala, I'll mark this entire zone as a resistance level, because multiple times ille respect ಮಾಡಲತ್ತ market. First time it respected over here, second time it respect ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ, third time onu market will respect ಮಾಡಿ it came down. So this is a very strong resistance level as of now. So I'll consider this as a strong resistance level. Adamel, I can see a strong support level over here at the bottom also. One second, guys. Okay. System glitch ho re bhai. ಏನು ಆಲತ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? Okay. So I'll mark this resistance level once again. System hang aglatla ಯಾಕೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Let's keep it aside. Let's focus on the chart. So ಇದೊಂದು trading, I mean ಇದೊಂದು resistance level over here, and if you see over here this is a support level over here. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು support level ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, you can mark this level also, because nearby support is, this is the only zone and this is an important zone in 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is what is 4 hour time frame telling us, and other than this nothing is required in 4 hour time frame. Okay, now let's go to 1 hour time frame. What exactly 1 hour time frame is trying to tell? ಟಕ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಮಿದೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. So 1 hour time frame, if you see over here, I can mark a trend line same like in bank nifty over here. So bank nifty nanu ide reeti one trend line barlatittu, ade reeti we are marking it in nifty also. Okay, now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, this trend line is giving us much more clarity. Yakandre multiple dots connect aglattav nodri. First dot is connected over here, second illi, and third illi. Fourth time market respect ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. But again fifth time ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ you can again expect a huge fall in Nifty 50 chart. This might happen in next week or next month or upcoming 2 to 3 days. ಯಾವಾಗನ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, we don't know. Okay, this is what this chart is telling us. So this is a strong trend line over here. ಈ ಒಂದು trend line ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ breakout ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, market can easily fall from this level. So even trend line breakdown ಆದಾಗ you can expect a huge fall, something like this. But we don't know ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. For that we just have to wait and watch. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame in Nifty 50. Now let's go to 5 minutes time frame. So ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ sometimes sideways over here, sometimes ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಲತ್ತದ lower low formation ಆಗಿ, and sometimes it is going high forming higher high formation. So there is no proper clarity in this entire market. Okay, you tuck 1 minute ಇಲ್ಲ 5 minutes ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. But if you want for a positional trade or swing trade ಅಲ್ಲ, market is purely sideways. Even zone, entire zone is a sideways zone. So now if you see today's chart, this is what is today's chart, which is 9th of February. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಹೈ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ and it is trying to go upside. So in this chart you must be going only for upside trades in Nifty 50. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, you should be going only for upside trades. And the reason is why ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. For that what I'll tell is simply price action is forming higher high price action. Market ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲತ್ತು or it is an uptrend right now. So that is the reason you should be going only for upside trades and not for downside trades. This is what this chart is telling us. Simple. ಇಷ್ಟೇನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ದೆನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲತ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. I hope till 5 minutes time frame tanka concepts are pretty much clear. And I can also see a trend line over here. Even trend line mark ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, this is a Nifty 50 chart with a trend line over here. Okay, so I hope this concept is clear. So ಈಗೇನದಲ್ಲ, next we'll come to intraday analysis. We'll go to 1 minute time frame. ಆವಾಗ this chart will be very much important for us. I mean today's chart ಏನದಲ್ಲ, this will play a very important role. Okay, I'll explain you that as well. Now Nifty nu it is in 5 minutes time frame. Bank Nifty is also it is in 5 minutes time frame right now. So now we'll shift to 1 minute time frame in both Bank Nifty and in Nifty. Okay, so left side Bank Nifty chart is in 1 minute time frame, and right side of the Nifty chart, this is also in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so now let's do a quick intraday scalping analysis. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ತಗೊಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಬಹುದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ we'll do that discussion. Okay, so totally 2 people are watching live stream. So welcome to my live stream. ಏನನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಯಲಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ just let me know. ಏನನ್ನ ತಿಳಿಲತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೂ just let me know, so that ನಂಗೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ what I'm exactly I'm trying to explain. at least ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೇ ಯಾರಿಗಾನ ತಿಳಿಲತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll just go for a quick ಇಂಟ್ರಾಡೇ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಫ್ಟಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ವೇಸ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಝೋನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ಮೇ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ,